6 areas that get dirty the most in your home. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. Having a clean home is one of the most satisfying things everyone wants for themselves and their family. Sometimes, you may have to do general deep cleaning, while some other times will require simple daily cleanings. This is mostly determined by how fast a section of your home gets dirty and the extremeness of the dirtiness. Hello viewers, you are welcome to another content release from FastKlean. Our primary concern is to provide you with tips to improve your health and live a more satisfying life. There is a lot of content about the general lifestyle on our channel. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel to have access to other similar releases. We also urge you to like our Facebook page to get updated about whatever is happening on my channel. When it comes to home cleaning, many people are trying their best to ensure they have a clean home. They consistently organize items in the house, mop, wipe and carry out other measures to keep the house clean. All these efforts are highly commendable. However, you might find it hard to believe that there are still some spots you may not be aware of in your house that harbors the highest level of dirt. This might lead to a wrong focus of attention and inefficient home cleaning. For this reason, we want to show you today the areas in your house that get dirty the most and harbor germs. Number 1. Side of appliances. During the process of using the appliances in our homes, we may have some spills on the side of the appliance. The kind of appliance involved will determine the difficulty in getting the specks of dirt cleaned and how easily we can forget to clean it. It can be a soda can explosion beside the fridge, or a spill on the stove while cooking. The areas of the appliance that got stained can easily be forgotten, especially when it's out of sight. Therefore, you shouldn't forget to unplug your appliances and give them a perfect cleaning that leaves no dirt even in the most hidden corners. This will help you complement your general cleaning to have a home free of germs and dirt. Number 2. Point of contact. These are items we often touch with our hands in the house. They include doorknobs, light switches, remote controls, etc. These items turn out to become living zones for germs and bacteria. Cleaning doorknobs and handles require a 2-step process, the first of which is to remove specks of dirt, then follow it up with disinfection by applying products that eliminate germs. The 2-step has to follow one another before you can make them germ-free. Jumping one step will only lead to an ineffective cleaning. For switches and remote controls, you can wipe them with a cloth that is sprayed with an all-purpose cleaner and electronic cleaner, respectively. Number 3. Bathroom mats. Bathroom mats are another material that gets very dirty in the house. However, many people give it less attention. This ranges from the mats you have by your tub to the one you step on when getting out of your bathroom. Continuous use of bathroom mats give your stinky bathroom odors due to the harboring of mold and mildew from the collection of water droplets. Do you get worried about this? There's always a way out. All you need is to put the mats into your washing machine and add detergent and vinegar, then let the machine do the job for you. The purpose of the vinegar is to eliminate stinky odors from the mat. Number 4. Reservoir of coffee machine. The moist and warm condition of the coffee machine reservoir makes it supportive of the growth of germs. For this reason, it's not enough to just rinse them after use. You want to make sure you give the reservoir a deep cleaning by removing and washing them in hot water with detergent, Then proceed to scrub away the remaining stains with a cleaning toothbrush. Once that's done, run a brew cycle with vinegar and follow it up with water to eliminate the vinegar smell. This will give you a sparkling reservoir free of germs. Number 5. Toothbrush Holder. This is one of the items that can be most underrated and neglected in the house, which can be a habitat for germs and dust. So, it's important that you give attention to the cleanliness of your brush holders from time to time. In situations where you can remove it, scrub it in hot water with soap, then allow it to run inside the dishwasher. If it's unremovable, spray it with an all-purpose cleaner and leave it for a few minutes, then wipe it with a clean cloth, and you will have a germ-free brush holder. Number 6. Dish sponge. It can be hard to believe that the sponge we use in cleaning dishes and other materials is the leading item when it comes to harboring germs. However, the truth is not far-fetched, as the sponge usually has water and soap logged in it when not well dried. In order to avoid the breeding of germs in your sponges, you want to ensure that you rinse them thoroughly to remove any soap that clogs in it. Then wring and microwave it to remove any traces of water. This will help you keep your sponge germ-free and clean. In conclusion, there are many spots in every home that need attention due to the dirtiness and germs they contain when not cleaned. So, as you're trying your best to have a clean home free of infections, don't forget to clean those areas that can be so dirty if neglected and render your cleaning effortless and efficient. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.